Falling firecrackers.
Whoa! What was that? Something exploded next to us. That's scary. My wing feels hot. It hurts. Oh no, it looks burned. I don't like this.
Officer the boy, please come quickly. We need help right now. It's an emergency.
We're here. What happened?
Stay calm, we will help you.
A firecracker exploded near me.
This is a firecracker.
It came from somewhere nearby, but we didn't see anyone.
Look up there. That vent.
Something came from above.
That's really high. Let's follow this direction. Stay close together. Ah, another one. Stay back. I saw something moving. Over there. We're close.
This box has firecrackers. Someone placed them here. That's dangerous.
We must stop this now.
Before someone gets hurt again.
Let's go. There, I see movement. Don't lose it.
Keep moving.
That's the suspect.
Stay alert.
Be careful.
They're everywhere. Stay low. I can't move.
Move back now. That was close.
We surround it. Good plan. Let's do it.
Stop right there.
No more firecrackers.
It's over.
It's quiet now.
That was scary.
Everyone is safe. This will help.
It feels better.
Firecrackers may look small and fun, but they are actually very dangerous.
They can burn your skin, hurt your eyes, and even cause serious injury.
You should never touch or use firecrackers by yourself. Always stay away from them unless an adult is there to help you.
That makes sense. We should always be careful. I learned my lesson today. I will never touch something dangerous again. Me too. I'll always think first before doing anything risky. My wing feels much better now. Thank you so much for helping me.
That's what we're here for, to keep everyone safe. Kids, always remember that firecrackers are not toys.
They can be very dangerous if used the wrong way. Stay safe and be careful every time.